That that brings us to the next topic. Is learning. You used the word learning earlier. Learning and AI, which is the end goal of learning, sort of replacing this old model of sensor, actuator, feedback control, and hard materials. Is that is that paradigm of learning with AI a better way? Is that mimicking us humans in a slightly better way, you think?
Yeah, I think it's more than better or worse. I think it's a necessity.
Okay.
The reason is that so far we are thinking that robots are used in a what can be called a fenced-in environment, like industry where robots are doing something, or even robots are building a structure. There, humans are far away. The moment robots have to work with humans, then they have to understand human language. Let's say you have robotic surgery, the doctors are using. You cannot expect doctors to program a robot. There is a phrase in this field now. They say, "Pass the scalpel." Doctor would say, robot should understand what to do, right? And similarly, if robots are going to be taking care of, let's say, human beings, let's say elderly or sick, right? So we cannot expect those people to program them, or somebody else can go and program, because they're already autonomous. They should make decisions and move on. They should be able to understand our language.